So in order to unlock extra storage on our Android and uses an SD card as an internal storage, let's do the following things. So first of all, open up your camera. Let's open up our camera settings here at the top left corner, and let's locate where they are saved. Storage location, choose SD card. Great. As the second step, let's open up our Google Chrome. In our Google Chrome, let's press here and let's press settings. And in our settings, we have to find our downloads. So downloads, choose your downloads location and choose SD card. Press done. Great. And as the last step, let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our About Phone tab. Find your software information and find your build number. Now let's tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter our current PIN. Press next. Great, we've got our message that developer mode has been turned on. That's perfect for us. Now let's go back to our settings and scroll down to developer options. Here we have to locate our force allow apps on external. Here this option is. Let's activate it, and basically that's it. Now any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.